The very nice, very compassionate people here. We got so finally having some food and this. So आजके entire day the world is open. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Diana's Travel and Lifestyle. Today we are here at the Eden Beach. There's a column. It's really nice. Now the very nice, very compassionate people here we got because they are taking us for a free ride and we were also tired. So now we are going from Our Lady's Basilica of the Mother's Stand to the main shrine where we'll go and have some lunch, and this is the Toto ride we are getting. And this place is so beautiful, so much of greenery involved. Yes, say. Didi. Fishy. Is that fishy? Oh, mom. Does it say fishy? Mommy. Papa. আর লেডিস ট্যাঙ্ক থেকে আসার পথটা অনেকটাই বেশি, তাই আমরা একটু এক্সস্টেড হয়ে পড়েছিলাম। বাট ফর্চুনেটলি দেয়ার ওয়াজ আ টোটো ড্রাইভার হু ওয়াজ সো কাইন্ড এনাফ টু গিভ আস আ ফ্রি রাইড। উনি আমাদের বলল যে আপনারা সবাই মিলে এই টোটো রাইডে চলে আসুন। ইউজুয়ালি দিস টোটো রাইড ইজ ফর elderly people and differently able people, but very considerately and very kindly he gave us a ride. এখানে যখন ঘুরে দেখলাম জায়গাটা এত সিরিন, এত বিউটিফুল আর স্পেশিয়াস যে মনে হলো আমরা একটা খুব বিউটিফুল পিসফুল জায়গায় চলে এসেছি। আর এখানে একটা রিট্রিট সেন্টার আছে। there are some rooms where you can actually stay. এতটা ডিটেলস আমরা আগে জানতাম না, বাট এই জায়গাটা দেখে মনটা এত ভরে গেল, কারণ so much of natural beauty and greenery all around. ভ্যালেনকিনি চার্চের পাশে যে এত সুন্দর জায়গা আছে আমরা আগে জানতাম না, but this time thanks to the Toto ride we made a very different discovery.
So beautiful place, no?
So silent here, how peaceful
So
here.
silent, so peace. Yeah.
একটু টোটো দাদার সাথে কথা বলে জানতে পারলাম যে he was actually a sufferer of the tsunami. Tsunami যখন হয়েছিল তখন চেন্নাই ভেলানকানি was the worst hit in India. আর তখন he had a very bad time. After that he got a job here, and that is what we heard from his experiences.
Later.
After a lot of hectic expedition and touring, we have got inside Chandran Hotel, and this is the AC section. We had gone to Hotel Bravida also, but they said that the food in the kitchen is closed. So that is why we are very exhausted. We are literally famished right now. So we are going to order something, and I want to order something South Indian. So let's see what we order.
দুটো জুনিয়রের জিনিস হয়ে গেছে। পনির বাটার মশলা, পনির বাটার মশলা, ফ্রাইড রাইস, চাপাতি,
Okay, so we have our food here. We have veg fried rice, we have chicken chettinad, we have paneer butter masala, and there is no parota today, so they are having chapati. So I'm going to start, and what I liked about this authentic restaurant is that they have served us in banana leaf plates. So this is going to be really authentic, and all of you know that chicken chettinad is the authentic Tamil cuisine, and butter masala also looks promising. So let's begin. So finally having some food, and this is, as you can see, the authenticity of this part is that they have served the meal in authentic banana leaves. Okay. With that we have veg fried rice, and we have the Tamilian authentic chicken dish, that is chicken chettinad. So chicken chettinad is mostly an amalgam of different kind of spices that we are having. It's good. Then tastes a little like Vindaloo. Then this paneer masala is also quite tasty. Paneer butter masala is very nice. And I'm liking the way the spices are all mixed together. It's really nice.
রাইস দিবি কেউ রাইস
So how was the food? Yes? Ranga? How was the food? How was the food?
Tastes very tasty.
রাইস দেবো রুটি না সেটা তো হোটেলে খাই আর
আমরা এসেছি আইসক্রিম খেতে আর there is a very nice place here, you know, you'll get all kinds of vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, everything, and you have puttu ice creams. What is puttu ice creams?
Hey, how much is that? Is 2 liters distillery? How much? No matter.
Fruit faluda is there.
সমুদ্রের এই জায়গাটা খুব সুন্দর খুব সুন্দর সমুদ্র এদিকটা তো
ওইদিকে চলো, ওই দিক থেকে নামা যাবে।
এদিকটাকে তুলে না সমুদ্রটা এদিক সমুদ্রটা তুলে এখানে জেলিফিশ আছে
তাই নাকি?
জেলিফিশ stay out of water লেখা জেলিফিশ জেলিফিশ কি কিছু করে দাও ওখানে আমার বছর চাই
তাহলে এরা যে ওখানে স্নান করছে
ওই
ও এই জায়গাটাই মনে হয়
এই জায়গাটা মনে হয়, হ্যাঁ। এই জন্য এখানে কেউ নামছে না, দেখছিস?
নামছে না দড়ি বাঁধাচ্ছে
হুম। তো ওই জায়গাটা যাবো কি করে?
We will be going that side and just go that side and have some fun. Chalo. nice fruit faluda.
যদি একটু গরম হয়ে যাবে নেবে একটা চকবার হ্যাঁ
So we have come to this ice cream parlor to have some ice cream because it was swelteringly hot. The heat was not that scorching, but of course there was humidity. And we had our lunch, and after that nice lunch,
now
we are
we
going
are
to have a
moving
little bit of
towards
ice
Pondicherry.
cream. So for dessert.
পন্ডিচেরিতে
So let's
কি
check it
করব,
out.
কি খাবো, কি
Oh
দেখব,
my God, I'm already
এইগুলো জানার
tan,
জন্য
ma'am.
আমার
Mom,
ব্লগের সাথে
I'm
জুড়ে
already
থাকুন।
tan. Now we are helping ourselves to some sumptuous, delicious ice cream, and this is Amrita ice cream. This is vanilla, and mummy is having
So
authentic,
that you can get all
mango ice
videos
cream.
as soon as I
Alfonso
update.
mango ice cream, and Shubham is also having the same. And daddy will have a nutty bar. So let's taste this.
A few moments later.
তো আজকের এন্টায়ার ডে ওয়াজ কোয়াইট এক্সস্টিং বাট ইট ওয়াজ ভেরি বিউটিফুল। আমরা অনেক টাইম স্পেন্ড করেছি বেসিলিকা অফ আ লেডি অফ ওয়েলকেনিতে। ওখানে ডিফারেন্ট সেগমেন্টস অফ দ্য চার্চে আমরা গেছি। আমরা মর্নিং স্টার চার্চে গেছি, আমরা ওয়াটার ট্যাঙ্ক দেখেছি, মেইন বেসিলিকাতে গেছি, মাস অ্যাটেন্ড করেছি। We have done so many things today and it was a really nice experience, a very good experience. And অনেক বছর it was like 25 years back we had come, so some memories I could recall because I remember some parts. So anyways, it was a very good experience, and after that we came back to our hotel, took some rest, and here we are for the dinner. Now dinner এ আমরা অনেক কিছু অর্ডার করেছি, so let us see how it turns out to be. Things like noodles, chapati, because they don't have parota here. Like they have parota, but tora banai. So we have to have chapati. They don't have naan, and then we have taken chicken 65 and chili chicken and all those things. Fried rice.
Noodles.
And the chili chicken is boneless now. It's with bones, so it's a little like we are a little skeptical about it. Anyways, देखिए we are waiting for the food. আসলে আপনাদের জানাবো কেমনি খেতে লাগছে। Thank you. So we have chili
और भी
chicken.
चपाती देंगे
আর মিল্ক
और मिल्क बच्चा को
আর একটা চাপাতি।
I'm having noodles, which okay. I never wanted to have noodles in South, but that's what they have, so can't help it. And we have taken paneer butter masala, and they don't have parota now, so তার জন্য আমরা চাপাতি নিয়েছি, তার সাথে সাথে নেওয়া হয়েছে চিলি চিকেন।
কিটা
अच्छा चिली चिकन ना
আর চিলি চিকেন ইজ কোয়াইট ইন্টারেস্টিং। ব্যাপার আছে হলো ওটা চিলি চিকেন ইজ নট বেশি বোন।
সব দেখাই দিই আমরা না।
चिली में दे दो
আপনি থ্যাংক ইউ। সো দিস ইজ দ্য
যদি খাস তো খাওয়ার পারটা করো তোমরা খাইলে যদি খাও তো খাও দিদি নিবি না
না আপনার
একটা দে না একটা দে না
ये पानी रखिए এখানে এটা লাগবে বলবি সব চিনি জল পানি করো
The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Quoting St. Augustine, we have commenced our journey from Velankanni to Pondicherry. After a blessed and happy stay at Velankanni, and offering all our prayers, our heart's desires, and submitting it to Our Lady, we are satisfied, and I am totally very grateful to our Lord for giving us this opportunity to travel. Our heart's content. অনেকেরকে কি বলবো, কি খাবো, কি দেখবো, এইসব জানার জন্য আমার ব্লগের সাথে জুড়ে থাকুন। যারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছেন প্লিজ গিয়ে বেল আইকনে প্রেস করুন আর অল নোটিফিকেশনে দিন। চলে এসেছি, পৌঁছে গেছি পন্ডিচেরিতে, আর আমরা এখন আমাদের হোটেল লবি লা পশে লাক্সারিতে বসে আছি। আমরা একটু আর্লি চেক ইন করে নিয়েছি এবং আস্তে আস্তে আমরা রুমের দিকে এগোবো। তার আগে দেখুন লবিটা খুব লাক্সারিয়াস, খুব স্পেশিয়াস। Hello everyone. everyone and welcome back to my channel Diana's Travel and Lifestyle. So after a pleasant stay at Velankanni, we are here at La Poche, Pondicherry. So we are here at Puducherry, which is also known as Pondicherry. And we have reached here and we are at the La Poche Luxury Suites. Now, let me take you around this beautiful suite, and I'm so impressed by this house. So, in order to know more about, keep watching. Okay, this is a suite, and here we have the first room is the hall room. And as you can see with the hall, we have a TV as well. Room. This is the first bedroom, as you can see, and there is an attached washroom with it as well. Now, moving to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and we have another attached bathroom here. As you can see, the room is so luxurious and so nice. There's a mirror too. It is a suite. It is a suite indeed. And you have a kitchenette. Rather, you have a kitchen, an entire kitchen to you. We have a fridge, we have the kettle, we have the crockeries. We also have the much needed water purifier. There is a sink as well. So I am totally satisfied with La Poche's amenities and facilities because it is indeed very luxurious and the price is very economic. And now we will be having our lunch outside and then move towards the Paradise Beach, which is the closest from this place. So dekhte thakun, support korte thakun, and watch the video till the end because lots of fun activity is going to take place and we're going to have a gala time here. And as usual, I'm wearing my pink dress, ready for the beach. We did not go out today. So today we are trying something which is naan and paneer and kebab and an authentic South Indian dish called cozy. So this is a very spicy, exotic, tangy. See now I'm going to taste how it tastes. Let us see. Authentic Chinese, authentic South Indian. Tastes different. Not bad. There's a slight smoky flavor to it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is day one at Pondicherry. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe for more videos. Today we are here at the Eden Beach. Now, Eden Beach is the closest to our hotel, that is La Poche Residency, and we had to take an auto in order to come here. So Eden Beach is a very close beach here, and people have come here, and you can see that the beach is so serene and calm. So there are different kinds of activities that are available in this beach. So let's explore. Chalo. 1 ঘন্টা হলো সুইমিং টাইম 9 AM to 6 PM. কিন্তু এই জায়গাটা আপনি দেখছেন গ্রিন লাইন করা রয়েছে. You cannot go beyond this point. Why? There's actually loads of reason. First and foremost, there are jellyfish and there are other things like other fish, aquatic, certain other aquatic species here. So they are saying that sting can be really painful. So it's better that you don't go this side. So we will be going that side and just go that side and have some fun. Chalo. Hello everyone, here we are in Brighton City Beach. It's not that great a beach, but
কি ফটো
তারপর মাম্মি
বিচে ছিল, এই বিচে আছে ছিল আমরা যেটা বুক করেছিলাম। এই আমার জিপটা-
ছবি না ভিডিও।
ও ভিডিও, আমার ক্যাব টানতে বলে।
তো তোমরা কেমন এনজয় করছো? রাঙা এদিকে আয় না।
আমার তো একটু ইয়ে হয়েছে।
বক্তব্য একটু বলুন।
খুব ভালো লাগছে, অনেক মানুষ, কিন্তু অনেক রোদ,
অনেক মানুষজন না, কম মানুষজন।
কম আছে ওখানে, আছে 50-50 সব জায়গায় আছে, ভালো লাগছে, কিন্তু অনেক রোদ।
সেটাই। হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে চলে এসেছি আমাদের ফার্স্ট বিচ অফ দ্য ডেস্টিনেশন। We are here at the Eden beach, which actually is not that impressive, but it's good for a morning walk kind of a thing. And yeah, we have come to this beach. It's the first beach that we are visiting, one of the first beaches. And as you can see, that cups over there, that column looks really nice and adds to the landscape, the entire landscape of this beach. So keep watching and subscribing for more, and don't forget to press the bell icon. देखिए वीडियो को अच्छी पकड़ो। There is a saying that the beach and the sea has the ability to take away all your anxieties and fill you with a rejuvenating, calming, relaxing serenity. That kind of solace that you're seeking of your mind and body, away from the humdrum of life. This is it. So I always make it a point to go to the beach. I always make it a point to have at least one vacation where I can behold the sea and this vast expanse of infinity. The weather is quite pleasant as compared to other days, because we felt that it will be really very hot. But of course there is the heat, there is the sunlight, but it is not that excruciating. So it's a beautiful feeling here. And you can see there is this beach here. There are places where you can sit and relax. There are recliners. And there is the column there, which looks really beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, first beach of our destination. আমরা এখন শেষ করছি আমাদের কোকোনাট ওয়াটার খাওয়ার পর্ব। And I must say that the coconut is so huge in size and the water is so tasty. It's so sweet and nice. So when you're coming to this beach, definitely try these coconut, of course. That goes without saying that you will. But tao bolchi, you know, it's like really nice. And that is having that white portion now.
ঠিক আছে, আমি তো তুই কি জলটাকে
If you did like my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. To all my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. And this is indeed a great moment, because I have crossed about 1k followers, and I think it's more than that, quite more than that, and it wouldn't have been possible without your support. So thank you so much for watching, and please comment in the comment section as to what you liked about the video and what else you would like to watch in the vlogs. Thank you so much for watching.